Hi guys, it is Puppy today. No, what? Hi guys, it is Puppy here, and today I am drawing on Pop Jam. Follow me at puppy_fox. I do lots of creative stuff, and I think I might inspire you today. So follow me there. But today, sadly, we are not here with Foxy. But we are going to be drawing some french fries for her, so she won't be hungry. Oh, this is the hardest part. We gotta go right here. Guys, I'm not the best at coloring on digital with my phone, so don't judge. Okay, we're speeding this up. I'm not patient. This is what it looks like when I'm finished. This is some fries. It's beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's hope you keep watching for some more drawings, and also for Foxy, because she hasn't came up here yet into this channel, but she will pretty soon. I'm just starting this off with a nice, lovely drawing. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Puppy is out.